Once upon a time, in a quiet village, a little girl named Mila loved looking at the stars every night. She would sit by a window and count them until she fell asleep. One night, Mila saw something strange. A twinkling star fell from the sky and landed in the nearby forest. The next morning, she packed her backpack with cookies, a flashlight, and her favorite blanket, and she went into the forest. Birds chirped, butterflies danced, and the sun peeked through the trees. Suddenly, Mila heard a soft cry. She followed the sound, and found a tiny star, glowing faintly, and sitting sadly on a rock. "Are you okay?" Mila asked. "I fell from the sky. And I can't fly back," said the star. Mila smiled, and wrapped the star in her blanket, and said, "Don't worry, I will help you." She carried the star to the tallest hill in the village. When the night came, she held the star high and whispered, "Shine bright." The stars sparkled brighter and zoomed back into the sky, twinkling happily. That night, Mila saw a special star winking at her from the sky. It was her friend, the lost star, shining again.